Welcome to our channel. Smart online searching can save you hundreds on travel bookings. Step 1. Subscribe to newsletters from airlines, hotels, and travel companies for exclusive deals. Step 2. Set up price alerts on comparison websites to track fare changes for your desired route. Step 3. Clear your browser cookies or search in incognito mode to avoid price increases based on your search history. Step 4. Compare prices across multiple platforms, including airline websites, aggregators, and travel agencies. Step 5. Be flexible with dates and use calendar views to see the cheapest days to travel. Step 6. Check for promo codes before finalizing any booking. Step 7. Follow airlines and travel companies on social media for flash sales. Step 8. Book at the right time, typically Tuesday or Wednesday for flights and closer to arrival for hotels. Step 9. Consider alternative airports and routes that might offer significant savings. Step 10. Bundle flights and hotels together as packages often provide better value. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.